once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you like, click that bell icon just below. Not hanging about today, really easy, simple salad. Potatoes and beetroot, or some beets. I've peeled both and I've boiled them in a little bit of salted water. Tomatoes, cucumbers, onion, and then our dressing is going to be really simple dressing. We're going to go lemon juice, olive oil. I'm going equal amounts. You could go 2-to-1 on olive oil, but I'm going 50-50. Little bit of garlic, chopped garlic, little bit of cilantro or parsley, or you might want to use some other herb. Salt, pepper, it's done. Let's go mix it together. Okay, so a mixing bowl. As you can see, I've got my tomatoes, my cooked beets, my cooked potatoes, and my cucumber there. In goes some onion, which I've sliced. A little bit of fresh herb, like I say, I'm using cilantro or coriander today. Dill, basil, parsley, all work. A little bit of chopped garlic. 50-50 or equal parts of lemon and olive oil. Simply to that, we're going to add just a little bit of salt. We're going to hit it with a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to give that a mix and it's done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love.